my name is Bob. I'm one of the product experts here at eComfort. And in my last video, we went through to find out how many gallons per minute and what part of the country we were going to be installing a tankless water heater. It's important to know what you needed for a temperature rise and how many gallons per minute in order to choose the right tankless water heater. So we had 4 gallons per minute and a 63-degree temperature rise. So what we'll do next is we'll go to shop all tankless water heaters. This next page brings us to, we make choices as to whether we're going to use gas, electric, liquid propane, and in this case, we're going to go with natural gas. Natural gas tankless water heaters, and on the bottom of this page, it gives us our flow rates at different points in the country. We were just outside of Chicago, and we wanted a 60-degree, actually 63-degree rise, but a 60-degree rise will work in our case. And we wanted 4 to 5 gallons per minute. So if you click on that, this will give you all of the tankless water heaters that give you a 60-degree rise at 4 to 5 gallons per minute. Now you want to choose, okay, the next choice you're going to make is, do I want a 95% efficient or do I want an 82% efficient? The 95% efficient units will vent with PVC pipe. The 82% units will vent with stainless steel. So it's a decision for you to make. And to find that, you want to go to the energy factor that it's in the side tab, and you choose the efficiency that you want to buy. In this case, we're going to go with the 95% efficient, and that'll bring you to a page of 4 to 5 gallons per minute at a 60-degree rise, natural gas. Then you can choose which water heater is going to work for you in this instance. Except for I didn't hit the button correctly. So now we're going to go to 95% efficient units. And this is going to show you that'll take you to a page that'll show you the 95% efficient units that we have that are 5 gallons per minute at a 60-degree temperature rise. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much.